Hey guys, this is your PowerPoint on audience member requirements. Remember that you need to be taking notes right now, and that doesn't mean that you write a couple of words for each slide. You need to write everything that I have. Several of y'all did not do this yesterday and you got really low grades. If it is on the screen, you write it down. Here we go. Audience member rules. You must be focused and engaged. You are not allowed to have anything on your desk except for paper and a pen. You are not allowed to be doing anything else other than listening and writing. No phones, no headphones, no other papers, no homework, nothing else. You are engaged in what is going on with the presentation and you are focused. Rules continue. All audience members are required to speak at least 3 times. Now this is the most important part. That does not mean 3 times per day. It means 3 times total. So if we're doing presentations, if it takes us 2 days, then over the course of those 2 days, you need to speak 3 times. Every time you speak, I will keep track of it. I'll have a little tally clipboard paper on my desk, and so I will know exactly how many times you've spoken and what kind of comments you have given. When you speak 3 times, you must have one of each of the following things. One of them must be a question, one must be a comment, and one must be a critique. Now here's what those things are. The questions you want to ask. You cannot ask questions until the end. So this is why we write them down as the presentation is taking place so that you don't forget what you want to ask. Comments, things you liked, things that shocked or surprised you, things you did not understand, etc. Critiques, what did the group do well? What do they need to work on? What observations did you make that you want to share with either the presenters or with the class? These are all very simple. Choosing not to complete your 3 verbals will result in a failing grade. Speaking 3 times is not optional, it is required. Final comments. Your question, comment, and critique must have substance. Just saying you liked or didn't like something will not be counted as a comment. You need to be thoughtful and purposeful in your speech. And that's it, guys. This is very short, very to the point, and this should not be very difficult.